Have you ever wished Canva could do even more than what you see on the screen? What if you could unlock extra features, tools, and integrations with just a few clicks? Hi everyone, Saif here from DigiWhisper. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to use apps inside Canva and explain what they actually are. You will learn how these built-in plugins can extend your design's power, give you access to the new content, and connect Canva with your favorite tools. Stay with me till the end, so don't miss any hidden gems. Let's talk about apps. Apps are simply like add-on. Some features are unavailable in Canva. In that case, you can use any types of external apps that will integrate with your Canva account. And you can use that types of feature using some external apps. So let's see how it works. You will see there is an option that is called apps. Click here, and here the first tab is for available apps that you can discover. The apps are categorized in different types of sections here, and some apps are for you to recommend. And here are some apps that is related to AI generation, and other different types of apps are available here. Let's say I want to try any apps first. I want to try QR code apps. Click here and just click here in the open button to integrate this app with your current account. So click, and this app has been installed in my account. So now I can convert any types of links into a QR code. So just input your link here, and then it will generate a QR code for you. You can scan that code to follow that link. So let's see how we can do this. Let's say I want to generate a QR code of my YouTube channel link so that people can scan QR code to visit my YouTube channel. Just input the channel link here or any types of link here and click generate codes, and it will create a QR code for me. If I scan this code, it will redirect me to my YouTube channel. So this is the application of an app. This way you can use app to get extra features in your Canva account. That's all for now. Make sure to check the pinned comment and video description for all the useful links and resources. And if you want more beginner-friendly Canva tutorials like this, subscribe to the DigiWhisper channel.